Friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Today I am going to show you some helpful tips about the floor, because some of the people they fix the tile and then now the tile is moving when we are walking around. Tile is moving, so how we can fix this problem? It's very simple and easy if we do slowly and then we can do everything possible by ourselves. uh, so I am going to show you in this video how we can fix the tile if it's moving when you are walking. It's moving, so you can see this tile under the carpet is, if I walk, it's, maybe you can listen, maybe you cannot listen, it's moving. So we remove this carpet, and then we let's see how the tile is moving and then how we can fix. We learn about these things. We do the tile level or whatever the cement work. We see how we can fix this problem. So if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and support me. So let's start. So friends, we open first the carpet and then we see the tile how. Friends, so as you can see, I opened already the carpet. As you can see, all the marble is broken. That's why if we are walking, it's shaking. The As you can see, all the tiles broke. So what we need to do, this one, we take out the tile also, then put back the cement. We need to take out the tile also because it's already shaking, so cannot use anymore. If we have other tile, then we fix the new tile. If we don't have other tile, we need to do the cement. And so we put ready the cement against tile. We take out ready the tile and then now we put ready the cement. Once this one dry, after we put the glue and then put back the carpet. So we wait for the next day to continue. After that, we need to put the glue and then fix the carpet. Friends, so as you can see, the cement yesterday we put all done ready, dry ready. You can see. So we need to clean first before we put the carpet back. So we need to clean sandpaper and then vacuum first. We don't want to become dust after the glue cannot stick and then carpet not sitting proper. So we need to clean first, then after we continue back. So now we clean ready. So we need to put the glue. This glue we put, then stick the carpet. So as you can see, now we fix already, then clean ready the all everything. So now you can see no any shaking. Hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the latest updates. Thank you.